Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 5.4 from the chapter fractions. First question, find the sum. 1 by 6 plus 2 by 3. Here the denominators are different. So these fractions are unlike fractions. First we have to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. For that we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers 6 and 3. Here 6 is the multiple of 3. So 6 is the LCM. If the greater number is the multiple of the smaller number means we can take the greater number as LCM. So LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Here no need to change the first fraction. Already the denominator is 6. Now we are going to change the second fraction 2 by 3. In 3 table when you will get 6, 3 2s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. Now we will get the first fraction as it is plus 2 2s are 4 by in the denominator 3 2s are 6. Now we got like fractions 1 by 6 and 4 by 6. The denominators are same. So we can add the numerators. So 1 plus 4 by 6. That is 1 plus 4, 5. 5 by 6. So 1 by 6 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 6. Is it clear, children? Okay. The next question, 6 by 7, 5 by 7, 4 by 7. The denominators are same. So these fractions are like fractions. While adding the like fractions, just we can add the numerators. So 6 plus 5 plus 4, we have to write the same denominator number 7. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 by 7. Now we got an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So we have to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 15, 2 times 7, that is 14. Now we have to subtract 15 minus 14, 1. Now we have to write quotient as a whole number, remainder by divisor. So 1 by 7 is the answer. So 6 by 7 plus 5 by 7 plus 4 by 7 is equal to 1 by 7. Is it clear, children? Can you understand? While writing the mixed number, we have to write in the form of quotient, remainder by divisor. Quotient is a whole number, remainder by divisor is a fraction. Is it clear, children? The next question is 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3 plus 7 by 8. These fractions are unlike fractions. The denominators are different. So first we have to convert it into like fractions by finding LCM. Now we are going to find the LCM of the denominator numbers 4, 3 and 8. For this we have to use L division method. 4, 3 and 8. Except 3, 4 and 8 are divisible by 2. So 4 divided by 2, 2. Here 3 is not divisible, so we have to keep as it is. Then 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Again 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. So again we are going to divide. 2 divided by 2, 1. 3 is not divisible, so we have to keep as it is. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. Here now we got all the prime numbers. So we can stop here. To find the LCM, we have to multiply all the numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 2, 24. So the LCM is 24. Now we have to convert the given fractions with the denominator 24. So the first fraction is 1 by 4. In 4 table when you will get 24? 4 6 are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 6. plus the second fraction is 2 by 3. In 3 table when you will get 24, 3 8s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 8. Then the third fraction is 7 by 8. Here in 8 table when you will get 24, 8 3s are. So by the same number we have to multiply the numerator. Now we will get the first fraction is 6 by 24 plus 8 2s are 16, that is 16 by 24 plus 7 3s are 21, 21 by 24. Now we got the like fractions. See the denominators are same. So now we can add the numerators. So 6 plus 16 plus 21 divided by the same denominator 24. Now we have to add the numbers. 6 plus 16, 22, 22 plus 21, that is 43. 43 divided by 24. Here 43 divided by 24. This is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed number. For that we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. In 43, how many 24s are there? Only one. 2 times 2 24s are 48, which is greater than 48. So only one time 24. Now we have to subtract. Here we have to borrow. It will become 3. It will become 13. 13 minus 4, that is 9. 3 minus 2, that is 1. Now we have to write in the form of quotient as a whole number, then remainder by divisor as a fraction. So 119 by 24. So this is the answer. So 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3 plus 7 by 8 is equal to 119 by 24. Is it clear, children? Can you understand? The next question is 1 by 3 plus 3 plus 3 by 4. Here also the fractions are unlike fractions. So first we have to convert it into like fractions. Here 3 is a whole number. What is the meaning of that? For the whole number, the denominator is 1. Okay. Now we have to find the LCM of the denominator numbers. Here the denominator is 1. So no need to take it. We have to find the LCM of 3 and 4. Here these two numbers are co-prime numbers. So the product of these two numbers is LCM. So 3 4s are 12. 12 is the LCM because these two numbers are co-prime numbers. So now we have to convert the given fraction with the denominator 12. The first fraction is 1 by 3. In 3 table when you will get 12, 3 4s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 4. Then the second one, whole number 3. For the whole number, the denominator is 1. Here we have to multiply it by 12. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 12. Then the third fraction is 3 by 4. Now in 4 table when you will get 12, 4 3s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. Now the first fraction will come as 1 into 4, 4 by 12 plus 3 into 12, 36, 36 by 12 plus the third one 3 3s are 9, 9 by 12. Okay. Now we got like fractions. Now we have to add the numerators. 4 plus 36 plus 9 divided by 12. Here 4 plus 36, that is 40. 40 plus 9, 49. 49 by 12. Now 49 by 12 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed number. So we have to divide the numerator 49 by 12. In 49, how many 12s are there? 12 4s are 48. Now we have to subtract 49 minus 48, 1. Now we have to write in the form of quotient remainder by divisor. Quotient remainder by divisor. So quotient is 4, remainder is 1, by divisor is 12. So 4, 1 by 12 is the answer. So 1 by 3 plus 3 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 4, 1 by 12. Is it clear, children? The next question is 1, 2 by 3 plus 4, 1 by 2 plus 2. Here we are having mixed fractions. First we have to convert it into improper fraction. For that we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 3 into 1, 3. Then we have to add the numerator 2. 3 plus 2, 5. In the first fraction will come as 5. Then the same denominator 3 plus here again we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 2 4s are 8. Then we have to add the numerator 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Then the same denominator 2. Here 2 is a whole number. For the whole number the denominator is 1. Now these fractions are unlike fractions. So we have to find the LCM and we have to convert it into like fractions. So LCM of 3 and 2. Here 3 and 2 are prime numbers. For the prime numbers, the product of the number is LCM. So 3 2s are 6 is the LCM. Now we have to convert the fractions with the denominator 6. The first fraction is 5 by 3. In 3 table when you will get 6, 3 2s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number. Then the next fraction is 9 by 2. Here in 2 table when you will get 6, 3 2s are. So by the same number we have to multiply the numerator. Then the next fraction is 2 by 1. Here we have to multiply it by 6. Okay. Now we will get 5 2s are 10. 10 by 6 plus 9 3s are 27. 27 by 6 plus 2 6 are 12. 12 by 6. Now we got like fractions. Now we have to add the numerators. 10 plus 27 plus 12 by 6. Here 10 plus 27 that is 37. 37 plus 12 that is 49. Now we will get 49 by 6. Okay. Now we got a improper fraction. We have to convert it into mixed fraction. So we have to divide the numerator by the denominator 6. In 49 how many 6 are there? 6 8s are 48. Now we have to subtract. Then the remainder is 1. Now we have to write in the form of quotient remainder by divisor. Okay. The quotient is 8. Remainder is 1 divided by the divisor is 6. So 8 1 by 6 is the answer. So answer is 8 1 by 6. Is it clear, children? The next question is 4 1 by 6, 2 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 3. Here also we are going to add the mixed fractions. So first we have to convert it into improper fraction. For that we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 6 4s are 24. Then we have to add the numerator. 24 plus 1 25. 25 then the same denominator 6 plus here we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. 2 2s are 4. Then we have to add the numerator. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2 plus here we have to multiply 3 into 1 3. Then we have to add 1. 3 plus 1 4. That is 4 by 3. Now these fractions are unlike fractions. So we have to convert it into like fractions by finding LCM. So now we are going to find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 6, 2 and 3. We have to use L division method. 6, 2 and 3. Here 2 and 6 are divisible by 2. So first we are going to divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 that is 3. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 3 is not divisible, so we have to keep as it is. Now we are going to divide by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Here 1. Here 3 divided by 3, 1. Now to find the LCM, we have to multiply the numbers 2 into 3. That is 6. So 6 is the LCM. Now we have to convert the fractions with the denominator 6. Already in the first fraction the denominator is 6. So no need to convert the first fraction. We have to keep as it is 25 by 6 plus here 5 by 2. In 2 table when you will get 6? 2 3s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 3. 5 3s are 15. So 15 by 6 plus here the third fraction is 4 by 3. In 3 table when you will get 6? 3 2s are. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same number 2. So 4 2s are 8. 8 by 6. Now we got like fractions. Now we have to add the numerators. Here 25 plus 15 plus 8 by 6. Here 25 plus 15, that is 40. 40 plus 8, 48. 48 by 6. Here we can reduce the fraction in 6 table. So I am going to reduce it in 6 table 1 time, in 6 table 8 times. So 8 is the answer. So the answer is 8. Is it clear, children? Can you understand? Okay. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you, ma.